Hey guys, Chef Cell right here with a keto avocado ice cream delight. Made with these simple things. I'm telling you, it's crazy. With a chocolate shell, by the way. Yeah, that's how crazy it is. All right, here we go. King Arthur, to date, makes the best keto erythritol sugar replacement, okay? It's natural and it doesn't leave a lot of that, that nasty thing after you're done eating it. Ooh, aftertaste. All right, we're going to use a pinch of that, a little bit as needed. 2 large, nice and ripe, Haas Cartwright avocados. You old people know what I mean. That was a joke. 13 and a half ounce can, coconut milk, shake it up, unsweetened please. A little bit of maple extract, you can get that anywhere. And I'm using a little bit of flavored yogurt. This is a Greek yogurt, very, very low carbs. I think 2 grams. I don't know, just get it, all right? It's very small little package, about a half of a pint a piece. We're gonna add that as needed into, is this on camera? Oh, great. Into our Cuisinart and a little touch of lemon. So what we're gonna do is we're going to, as usual, cut these little babies in half, get rid of the pit, and I'm going to show you how to put it all together. It's pretty crazy. As an added touch, we're going to make the fake pits of the avocado. Did I say avocado? Keep it in. Very easy to do. Malted milk powder, okay? Get yourself a can of that. Melted, I got the lilies here, see? White baking chocolate. You melt the chocolate, you mix it with the powder, you roll it into the malted milk balls, you put it in the fridge, and then you dip it in this baking chocolate. So you have to wait until it gets a little bit more solid in the fridge before you dip it in the melted chocolate, okay? I have a double boiler going. How you do a double boiler the right way is you don't rev it up. The bottom pan has a little bit of water in it. So I bring it to a boil, then I'm gonna bring it down to the slowest simmer I can so the chocolate doesn't get grainy, and it will. Especially the different types of chocolate. This is sugar-free, stevia, sweetened chocolate, whole different deal. So trust me on that one. First of all, for our chocolate shell, we have these Lily's chips. By the way, I'm gonna give you links in the description how to buy all this stuff. You get it online. Don't even leave your house. I got a package of this dark chocolate Lily's baking chips. They're keto all the way. And I have some leftover, some more different types of dark chocolate, but they're all keto, they're all good. And we're gonna put this aside on a low flame. Your basic Cuisinart. I'll even show you how to get one of those actually. Just go into the description, okay? Crosswise. And don't mess around with these skins. They're going to be the mold for your delicious chocolateness, as you will see. Get it in there to the food processor. Squeeze that lemon. Don't squeeze the whole half. Is that a phrase? Just a little bit. Maybe a quarter of a teaspoon. Maple extract. I like maple, it's good. Half a teaspoon. King Arthur. Great alternative sugar. This is the first of those yogurts. This one's black cherry. I got about 3 pretty large tablespoons. And now 3 tablespoons of coconut yogurt. Dash of that coconut milk. All right, let's pulse it. Taste. A little more sugar. Give it a nice heaping tablespoon. Get it over with. That's good. Freeze these shells for about 5 minutes because you're going to pour hot chocolate in there and you want it to solidify. Now over there, my chocolate's almost melted. So we're almost ready to dip. Take them out of the freezer one at a time. I have my chocolate off camera, but it's there. I'm going to put it inside. And we're going to do this bit. Just give it a coat. Don't be skimpy. Back in the freezer. That's the 4th one. Turn that chocolate off. Let them freeze. Good hour. All right, see the bubbles? And it's not touching the glass, which is perfect. And here's my little trick. Chocolate loves to stick, right? So, pan it. That's 6 ounces of white Lily's stevia sweetened chocolate going in. And spatula, see? Right there. Let it get good and warm. And then mix it around. I'm going to have the link to purchase all of these chocolates. They're very hard to find sometimes in the supermarkets, but I'll have the link downstairs in the description. I'll give you a really good pot and some glass bowls too. And you buy them if you don't have them. If not, that's okay. Okay, melted, Captain. And I got this, like I said, on really a low flame, the lowest it goes. Now here's these 6 tablespoons of malted milk powder I told you about. And everything's different, you know, all brands are different. So I'm going to go maybe almost half of this for now. I'm going to keep this on the pot for a while. Just keep it kind of liquidy, can I say that? Until I get all this malt powder in, and then we'll take it out and form these little balls like a dough. You want them to be the size of an avocado pit. You don't want it to be wet and shiny. It's got to be dull and boring. All right, I'm going to take it off the heat, but I'm going to continue to add the rest of this powder in there. Get it all in there. Now that's 6. Let's see if 6 tablespoons does it. Notice I am not panicking on camera anyway. Still a little bit sticky, so I'm going to go tablespoon by tablespoon now. I'm going to give you the link to this exact malted milk powder, so at least you'll have a way to compare. You know, you don't have to start from scratch. God, what'd I do for you? All right, roll it out. And like I said, after I make these pits, so to speak, I'm going to put it in the fridge, let them get really cold and solidify a little bit. 1/8 tablespoon. Still a little sticky, that's why. I have some left over, and that's cool. I'll probably make some keto malted milk balls. And the more they cool, the less they'll spread. Okay, I'm going to get a parchment paper and a rimmed cookie sheet and put these on there. Here we go, double boiler. I put a whole bag of the chocolate melting chips in here. It's about 9 ounces. Then I put about 3 ounces, if you could see it there, see, of the white chocolate ones. I mean, I don't want a black pit. Isn't he a movie star? Oh, wait, no. Anyway, you know what I mean? I just want to lighten it up. You don't have to. Or if you use milk chocolate, you'd probably get away with that color. Final mix. First one in the pool. Yeah, pretty good, see? Now I'm going to put it on the paper. See, left a little trail. You cut that off, that's all. Now if you just look at the top, see how shiny and smooth most of them are? See that? And we'll just cut around. Well, you know, we'll cut that thing off the bottom, no problem. But put them in the freeze. About 10 minutes, that should be fine. And then we start getting them ready to put on these frozen avocados. These have been in the freezer overnight. It's a frozen delight. It's going to be kind of hard to get the skin off of here, see? So we're going to put it in the microwave, you know, about 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and you'll see it'll come right off. That's chocolate around that edge, so you don't want to melt that, right? All right, here's the last of the skin. See how easy it just comes off? I mean, look at this. Here we go. All almost frozen and stuff. So I saved a little bit of the melted chocolate. Just on the spatula, no big deal. See? Little glue. We're just going to glue it on there. Chicken shears. See? I'm just going to cut around this. Little glue. And there you go. Delicious keto avocado dessert with malted milk fake dipped delicious keto pits. First time ever on YouTube, keto pits. I am Chef Sal. I have to take a taste of this. Boom. Here's how you eat it. Very simple. Take a pit. Take a bite. Oh, it's like a frozen Whopper. Star of the show. Here we go. The only thing I have to say is, please subscribe. Right there. Woo! Serve these at Super Bowl. Ho ho! Really good. Great for parties. Looks like an avocado, but it's an avocado ice cream, and it's all keto. Chef Sal right here. I will see you next time.